Hello besties, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tessie Brown. This will be a cooking video, and recently I've just become so interested in cooking and I want to be sharing some of my recipe with you guys. So I think I'll get an intro for myself also. Maybe I'll go with the trend on TikTok, cooking with Kaya, but mine will be cooking with Tessie, cooking with Tessie. The only difference, you will not be seeing my butt. I will not be shaking it. I'm just kidding though. I will be making fried rice and chicken today. So I've already washed my chicken and I'm putting all the spice needed for the chicken. Though I'm still going to put it in the oven, but I just started this new method where I will boil it for a few minutes just for the ingredient to enter inside the chicken. I don't want to just mix the ingredient and put it in the fridge then wait before. No, I prefer this boiling on. I've done the other one, and this one I think is the best because the chicken will taste better. So that's why I boil my chicken first before putting it in the oven. It's just as boiling it then frying it with oil. It's the same thing. So don't come for me. Everywhere in the world, things are difficult. But in order to keep our hope, food is one of the most important things. So I'm bringing to you guys this short plug. Anything you need, from rice, beans, corn, anything at all, this is a short plug. Just contact it. So here are my ingredients for the fried rice. I finished cutting the ones I need to cut, and here I'm cutting the chicken breast because I'm going to need it in my fried rice. So I'm about to fry it here. I added oil, salt and Maggi with onions. I like onions. I love onions very well. So this place I'm putting the chicken breast because I'm going to fry it before adding it to my sauce. So the next thing is to make my fried rice sauce. As you can see here, I've added the oil and I'm adding the onions, the carrots, and then I stir it. Left it for some minutes. And I added my bell pepper. I also stir it again. Then I added a little Maggi and salt to it for taste. Then after that, I left it for some minutes before I added my sweet corn and peas. So I stir for some minutes. Then finally I added the chicken I fried, the chicken breast that I fried, and voila, my sauce is ready to be added to my rice. So I added it to my rice and stir it very well. Then I close it and allow it to cook. So just enjoy and see the outcome. Look at the outcome, so beautiful. Then remember my chicken. This is how it looks. Very tasty. And voila, this is the outcome.